how to make your diet healthier. Hi everyone. How are you? Welcome to the High Fitness by Weakness channel. Today I'm gonna show you 15 simple tips to make your diet healthier. So stay tuned guys, because in a moment, you will receive a quick dose of really powerful knowledge. A healthy diet has been scientifically proven to provide numerous health benefits, such as reducing your risk of several chronic diseases and keeping your body healthy. However, making major changes to your diet can sometimes seem very overwhelming. Instead of making big changes, it may be better to start with a few smaller ones. This video discusses 15 small changes that can make a regular diet a little bit healthier. 1. Slow down. The pace at which you eat influences how much you eat, as well as how likely you are to gain weight. In fact, studies comparing different eating speeds show that fast eaters are up to 115% more likely to be obese than slow eaters. 2. Choose whole grain bread, not refined. You can easily make your diet a bit healthier by choosing whole grain bread in place of traditional refined grain bread. 3. Add Greek yogurt to your diet. Greek yogurt, or Greek-style yogurt, is thicker and creamier than regular yogurt. It has been strained to remove its excess whey, which is the watery part of milk. The end result is a yogurt that is higher in fat and protein than regular yogurt. 4. Don't shop without a list. There are 2 important strategies to employ when you go grocery shopping. Make your shopping list ahead of time and don't go to the store hungry. Not knowing exactly what you need makes room for impulse buying, while hunger can further exacerbate your impulses. 5. Eat eggs, preferably for breakfast. Eggs are incredibly healthy, especially if you eat them in the morning. They're rich in high-quality protein and many essential nutrients that people often don't get enough of, such as choline. 6. Increase your protein intake. Protein is often referred to as the king of nutrients, and it does seem to have some superpowers. Due to its ability to affect your hunger and satiety hormones, it's the most filling of the macronutrients. 7. Drink enough water. Drinking enough water is important for your health. Many studies have shown that drinking water may benefit weight loss, weight maintenance, and even slightly increase the number of calories you burn daily. 8. Bake or roast instead of grilling or frying. The way you prepare your food can drastically change its effects on your health. Grilling, broiling, frying and deep frying are all popular methods of preparing meat and fish. 9. Try at least one new healthy recipe per week. Deciding what to have for dinner can be a constant cause of frustration, which is why many people tend to use the same recipes again and again. 10. Eat your fruits instead of drinking them. Fruits are very healthy. They are loaded with water, fiber, vitamins and antioxidants. Studies have repeatedly linked eating fruit to a reduced risk of several diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes and cancer. 11. Cook at home more often. Try to make a habit of cooking at home most nights, rather than eating out. For one, it's easier on your budget. Second, by cooking your food yourself, you'll know exactly what is in it. You won't have to wonder about any hidden unhealthy or high-calorie ingredients. 12. Become more active. Good nutrition and exercise often go hand in hand. Exercise has been shown to improve your mood, as well as decrease feelings of depression, anxiety and stress. 13. Get a good night's sleep. The importance of good sleep cannot be overstated. Sleep deprivation disrupts appetite regulation, often leading to increased appetite, which results in increased calorie intake and weight gain. 14. Choose healthy oils. Unfortunately, highly processed seed and vegetable oils have become a household staple over the past few decades. Examples include soybean, cottonseed, sunflower and canola oils. 15. Eat from smaller plates. It has been proven that the size of your dinnerware can affect how much you eat. Eating from a large plate can make your portion look smaller, while eating from a small plate can make it look bigger. Completely overhauling your diet all at once can be a recipe for disaster. Instead, try to incorporate some of the small changes in this video to make your diet healthier. Some of these tips will help you keep your portion sizes reasonable, while others will help you add nutrients or adapt to something new. Together, they'll have a big impact on making your overall diet healthier and more sustainable, without a huge change in your habits. And that's it for today. If you really care about achieving your goal, don't forget to put this knowledge into practice. Remember that just watching this video will do nothing to you if you don't take action. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are looking for something that can really help you lose weight, please check the link in description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive new powerful videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have a great day and see you in the next video.